Hello, and welcome to this webinar that briefly compares leadership in energy and environmental design and Green Globes. This is part of a series of webinars regarding the High Performance Certification Program for the Department of Local Affairs. The intent of this webinar is to provide a high-level understanding of two third-party verification standards and the goals set by HPCP. This is a visual comparison of the certification levels for the LEED and Green Globes building rating systems. Again, a modification to a lower level than the HPCP goal can be requested based on the project scope and the number of rating points attainable. And remember, your project team will determine which rating system to use. Okay, now I'll briefly go over the process for LEED certification from beginning to end, and then follow it with the overview of the Green Globes process. All LEED certification documentation that you submit will be done on the LEED website run by the Green Building Certification Institute, or GBCI. It is a good idea for the owner to designate an agent who is ultimately responsible for registration and the acceptance of the certification agreement. There will also need to be a project administrator to act as project manager and keep track of all the LEED processes. This can be the same person. Everything is laid out on the LEED website. As you can see, there's a preliminary design and construction review process, which results in final decisions, all culminating in the determination of the final credits and the certification award. Green Globes is run by the Green Building Initiative and has a little bit of a different process than LEED. Users can evaluate their building projects by filling out an online survey to determine the amount of applicable points in 7 categories. The preliminary assessment occurs after concept design, while the final assessment occurs after construction. A report generated that provides a list of achievements in the certification level along with recommendations for sustainable building strategies. Hopefully this brief description of these programs gave you a better understanding of the differences in processes. There are many resources online to help, and as always, the DOLA staff is here to assist you in any way they can.